Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by installing and enabling Gboard. Download it from Google Play if needed, then open Android settings and navigate to languages and input. Once there, select Virtual Keyboard and Manage Keyboards and toggle Gboard on. Make sure to set Gboard as your default input method so apps use it immediately. Grant any requested permissions like microphone for voice typing. This allows features to work. After that, return to an app with text input to confirm the keyboard appears and is ready for customization. Now customize Gboard so it matches how you type. Open the Gboard app from your launcher or settings, choose themes to set colors and key borders, then go to text correction to tweak autocorrect, suggestions, and personal dictionary. Enable glide typing for swipe input and turn on voice typing if you prefer speech to text. If you type in multiple languages, add them under languages to get bilingual suggestions. These changes improve speed and accuracy, so test them in a messaging app and iterate until the keyboard feels right. Finish by exploring advanced tools. Enable clipboard and pin important snippets, set up text shortcuts for frequent phrases, and use one-handed mode for large screens. If keys lag or suggestions act strangely, clear Gboard's cache and app settings or reset keyboard settings inside the app. This often resolves corruption. Make sure Gboard is up to date. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall from Google Play to refresh components. One troubleshooting tip: reboot your phone after reinstalling to ensure system resources, reinitialize, and problems are cleared.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.